Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can open up an Amazon seller account. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to Amazon.com and arrive at the home page. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to need an account for this. Most likely you will need it. However, you can very easily create it at the moment of creating your seller account. So it is easily done even after you try to sign up. So you'll need to make it, however, when you make it is up to you. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go from the main page, go into the sell menu, and here you'll have the option to sign up for a seller account. So just click on sign up, and it's going to prompt you to log in or create an account, and after that set up a two-step verification by adding your mobile phone number, which I won't be adding because I don't want to add my real phone number. And yeah, once you add your phone number, you'll be prompted to add all the needed information, such as the location from which you're selling, the tax information of yourself or your business, and any other information such as your, as I mentioned, current location. Probably list an item first before creating your account, etc. And pretty much all you need to do is just set up and add all the information that they ask of you, and you'll be able to create your account after that. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Once you create your account, you can actually start listing your product and selling, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.